وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين. This mad is mad munfasil. Mad munfasil has three options. You can length the ayah 2 fingers folding time, or 4 fingers folding time, or 5 fingers folding time. 2 fingers time we can call qasr, and 4 fingers we can call wasat, and 5 fingers we can call tul. This is the tajweed here. This mad coming because of this ashab here, ashab hamz. The meaning of ashab, right, the right companions. Ashabul yamin, right companions. Ma ashabul yamin, ma, what is the right companions? The status and the companions of the right. What are the companions of the right? Like this is the meaning. The two main paragraphs of the explanation for this verse. The status and fortune of the companions of the right. This verse talks about the category of people who will enter paradise, known as Ashabul Yamin, the companions of the right. The Quran presents their fortune and status in powerful rhetorical questions format. This is meant to highlight their elevated position and good fortune, prompting listeners to reflect on the greatness of their status. A reference to the different categories of people. This verse connects to the initial part of the surah, which divides humanity into 3 groups as